Hey guys, we're back. Today we have another case for the iPad Pro 13-inch by Spigen. This is the Ultra Hybrid Pro. This is the last one in their lineup for cases for me to review for the iPad Pro. And I want to just take a look at how this one compares to the other two that we reviewed, as well as a quick comparison to an ESR that is a close competitor. So let's get right into this. We have just a plain white box. Long gone are the days where there was a huge graphic of the iPad that you're getting. Now it's just a little sticker at the bottom covering up, even another sticker with what model it's for. So they're just recycling boxes over here. Actually similar to what they're doing with their phones too. So at first I was like, yeah, that's kind of cheeseball, but they're trying to save the environment and save some money at the same time, I guess. But I've already done the unboxing, obviously. So let's open this up. It's just a standard all-around protection case with a clear back. So you can see either your black iPad or your silver, because those are the only two colors we get. So let's pop this bad boy in. Let's get rid of this box. And see how it compares. So corner, corner, corner. That one's already in. So we have a space for the Apple Pencil. Again, just like their other cases, there's no plastic that's covering this portion of the case so that your iPad will charge every time. They had an issue that I brought up in the past on the M1 iPads, and now they don't. So you have a little place to pop the pencil out with your finger in the back, but that thing's good to go. It's not going anywhere. The button cutouts for volume up and down, they are very tactile. They work great. Same with the power button up top. And then you have some bumpers around each corner to give it some fall protection. And then you got your speaker grills and your microphone cutouts. So the speaker grills, every one of their cases has little slots in the middle of them. I think it's to keep the rigidity, so these aren't squishing down too much. They still do a little bit, but not much. And the cutout for the Thunderbolt USB-C is quite large. I've put in every Thunderbolt cable that I have, and it works, except for I have one that goes on an angle like this, and just that side doesn't completely plug in. So if you have one like that, just use the regular portion, and those Thunder cables, they do fit. Thunderbolt. So we also got that Velo vegan leather. So that's what's protecting the outside. It's like a polyurethane is what it feels like. It's nice and soft. Inside is a nice little felt material, so it protects the screen. It does get some smudges on it with some use from testing it out, but they pretty much all do. So if that bothers you, you can run a lint roller on there, but you got that nice magnetic closing. I'm really impressed with Spigen's little flap there. Some people just aren't into having that on there, but I like to keep the case cover magnetized on the front and just going around the Apple Pencil too, just in case something happens, that thing's not coming out at all. So there's the shot on the Space Black iPad Pro. This only comes in black, so if you're into colors, pretty much Spigen is not for you, because the only other case that they offer another color on is the AirSkin Pro. Same thing. This cover comes off. I got a video for this one too, but this gray is the only other color that they offer for any of their iPad Pro cases. I'd like to see that changed. But the real highlight of this case is really just the weight. This thing is coming in at 404 grams, which is the lightest iPad case that I've reviewed for this iPad this year. The other ones that we've taken a look at, the Spigen Rugged Armor, this one right here, I thought this was a super light case. This is 441 grams. And then that Airskin, this one is 455, so it has a little more magnets in there, and that's where we're getting that weight. But lastly, there's just the standard ESR Rebound 360, another all-around protection case that has 2 layers. So this one comes off too, but this is kind of more in line with that Airskin, since they're both 2-part cases, if you will. But the Spigen one, super heavy, 568 grams. That's the only thing I don't really like about it, is the weight. Other than that, it's a pretty good case. But the way that all these cases compare price-wise is the Ultra Hybrid, $31.99 on Amazon right now. Same with the Rugged Pro. And then those 2-part cases, the Airskin from Spigen and ESR, are both $35.99. So if you're into having some color on your case, you're gonna have to go with that Spigen one, even though it's a little heavier. They do offer a ton of colors, which is nice, but that's about the only thing that's better than it, in my opinion, in any one of these Spigen cases. So let me know what you guys think. Have you picked up a Spigen? Do you want to see something from another brand that I haven't reviewed yet? If you do, drop it in the comments. I'll pick it up, take a look at it, let you know how I think and how I feel about it. But again, we're almost at that 1,000 subscribers. Super duper close. We got like 6 to go as I'm filming right now. So please, please, please help me get over that hump. Help me get monetized. I've been making this channel for free for 3 years now. It'd be nice to get a little money back. But that's not what I'm doing this for. At the end of the day, it's just something that I love, taking a look at all these products. So, thank you for tuning in. Until the next one, it's Buck Life. Peace.